Hello, welcome to this beautiful live that we have planned for you today. And it's going to be an amazing mix of everything that we've been showing you all of this while. Some premium ones, absolutely wonderful colors in linen suits. It's going to be a gorgeous live. Now you can see we are in kind of a celebratory mode. We will tell you more about it at the end. For now, enjoy this amazing live that we have for you. And yes, it is the last one for this week. So we're going to really give you worth the time. Thanks so much for all the love that you've been giving to our videos and content and just coming in from all over the world. It's such a pleasure. Ordering is super simple. All you're going to be doing is you're going to be coming on WhatsApp with the piece that you like. एक photo लीजिए, WhatsApp पे आइए, order place करिए. Is that simple as that? Doesn't get easier. Okay, first things first, what I'm wearing is of course the rosé. This rosé is actually the first one that we had tried in this silhouette, and then now we call it as a rosé silhouette. It's basically a beautiful satin fabric, same on same without lining, in our signature pink rosé color. Plus it's the A-line that we always talk about, okay? And along with it, I'm wearing this gorgeous dupatta. I mean, look at how amazing it looks. This is our Kadwa Georgette Jal दुपट्टा and it's absolutely amazing. Craftsmanship के हिसाब से आप देखें तो it is a masterpiece. It's a marvel because it's really incredibly difficult for us to be making this whole jal design in a Georgette, but we've done it and we've done it especially for you. So we've put up a style video on this entire look. You can see it. You can of course customize this in any color of your choice. To me, pastel colors would be beautiful, even the dark colors, you know. So yeah, it's going to be working both ways. So there you go. All prices are going to be on request. So just come on WhatsApp and place your order and ask us for details. Now this one is the pink rosé to go along with it. If you feel, now look at that, how amazing the satin looks. And you know, I have worn it so many times over the years. Abhi kuch dinon se maine nahi pehna, kuch mahino se, but it's when I'm traveling and if I want to kind of instantly look nice and look the glam look and you want to feel good about yourself, I wear this because it's so easy. You can just style it up. I usually like my statement watches, so I really go for plain looks with it, so it works well. Now what I'm going to show you are the dupattas, and you really can be wearing any wonderful dupatta with this satin. First things first, this is also one grand black dupatta. मैंने अभी इसी का रोजे पहना था, and this is the black in it, okay? And I'm also showing you the white because you really can, do any color with it. So I'm just showing you how incredibly beautiful the white one looks. Okay, let's do a couple of dupattas and then let's get into this suit. But because I'm talking about dupattas and how, look at that. Look at the craftsmanship of this one. It's really beautiful. This, to make it so clear, the design, we usually use some percentage of real zari as well in it, which is why it looks so amazing. Now from that, I'm going to go on to some beautiful pieces जिसके साथ आप ये wonderful fabric को dye करा सकते हैं. You can wear it in contrast. It's going to look amazing. Okay. Now look at this one. This is an this is a very, off-white gold will look very nice with it, but also you can go for a base color. It's incredibly beautiful, a silk dupatta in its jal. Now this one was a pastel one. From that, I'm going to go to a dark one. And you can see, oh my God, look at that. Such a statement to be making. And of course, so many of you requesting that we have cocktails to attend and we have reception to attend. We of course also have the wedding. So now 3 different looks. If I were to kind of say that I would wear the rosé to the cocktail, I would kind of wear something like this, which is traditional, but I would contrast it with a gold and off-white to kind of make it look really good for a reception, not go too traditional. But let me just show you first this dupatta. There you go. And then if it were the wedding, then I would definitely go for a traditional premium dupatta like this with incredible one, okay? And of course, this is one in hot pink. It's got a combination, and yes. So अब इसके साथ अगर आप चाहें तो we can make like complete looks for you in terms of fabrics. But really, when you're making, we are making and you are wearing these statement dupattas, if not much. All you will need is a great base. It can be satin, it can be katan, it can be chinia, it's your choice. But I'm a big fan of chinia. In a budget, it's such a great look. But kuch cheezein, kuch dupatte will, this is, you deserve a little more, like a satin and a katan, okay? So that's what I'm going to say. Yes, I will also be, be showing you now. And next up, that's what I'm going to be showing you. बहुत ही सुंदर, that's a very wonderful collection of linen suits. इस साल हमने पहली बार, we have made a collection which is top, bottom, dupatta, all linen, all silk, okay, and all made in Karwa. And we've just now launching the new wonderful colors that I'm telling you, you cannot have enough in. Now, बहुत सारी चीजें are very, very great in this, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. This color, it's like a greenish yellow, but it's very, very pretty, okay? And now iska jo, the beauty is that you really can wear it in a formal way. Look at how amazing the light reflects on it. It is incredibly pretty, okay? But it's got the, it's got our signature things on it, which is absolutely wonderful weave on it. You can see that, okay? You can see the very, very clear work that's there. It's in Sona Rupa, so all of that. So craftsmanship, yes. Unique composition, yes. And a full suit. Iska bottom bhi hai kya isi mein? Do we have the bottoms? It's there. Okay. The bottoms are, I think, attached here, but I also want to make sure that, and look at that. Oh, I mean, so much fabric that you can do any styling with it. Look at that. That's the bottom, okay? The bottom has also been woven on the loom so as to give you the right, effect. You're wearing a great, beautiful kurta and dupatta. And then, of course, I want you to have that complete look. So there you go. This is one perfect one. Let's move on to the next ones. Next, मैं आपको मैं सिर्फ color दिखाते जाती हूँ. Oh, I love this. Now, we tried this color the first time, I think, in January this year. And what a hit it has been. What a hit since then. Now, this one is a rust color, right? It's not a tangerine. It's not a quesaria. It's the proper rust color, the orange rustish color that we have. And I tell you, it's amazing. Look at that, okay? And when you see linen and you feel that, oh, that there's that wrinkle, of course, that's the whole signature. Like, satin is supposed to have sheen. It's supposed to have that flow. Linen is supposed to have that very nice wrinkle, okay, which is what makes it perfect, but not too much, because look at that, we have silk composed in it with the fabric. और ये देखिए, that's the bottom. Now इसमें, आप clearly देख सकते हैं, ऐसे ही bottom सब में है, and with a beautiful dupatta with it. Now, this, आप मुझे बताएं, when you're looking for that cocktail, when you're looking for something stylish, you want to make an impression, go for this. And because, of course, linen is such a day fabric also, like all of us think of it first as a day fabric, really, but we're trying to break all of those barriers. We have to do a pink, and it is one of the freshest colors that you will see this year in our palette. Let's show you like this. I love it. Okay, so choose the darker ones. It's going to look amazing. You can, of course, go for the black, which is a great piece to have for you to be wearing at night, okay? And from that, we're going to go to this. That's the next one, Neve Buta, and its beautiful colors and so many, options that we've been making. But right now, I have two that are available for you, which is, of course, this red one. The way to be wearing it, जैसे ये मैंने रोजे पहना है, which is a same on same. It's an A-line thing. There is no cut on the kurta, and it's a broad bottom, all in a style video on the page now. And वैसा ही, if you will see, this is the Neve Buta, and it's going to be perfect. Again, in this silhouette, you can do a straight silhouette. You can even do an archery. That's also going to be looking nice. In the first Neve Buta that I had launched, we had done this whole panel look. You can always ask us for the neck design of it. It was incredible, okay? And along with it, what I'm going for is just the dupatta. Okay, now where have you seen this piece? You have seen this piece in our under 40 video. So we've done this video series on the page, on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, sab jagah hai, where you can see ki under 10K mein, under 20K mein, under 30K mein, under 40K mein, क्या ऑप्शंस आपको मिल सकते हैं फ्रॉम नीव, बिकॉज देर इज एक्चुअली अ लॉट. आई मीन दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू. So what we have done is that yes, there is this combination जिसमें 2.5 meter plus this dupatta is about 40 something. It looks great, it feels good, and I think it's absolutely amazing. Look at the color. Okay, now from that what I'm going to do is I want to show you, this is the latest color, and look at how fresh and amazing this color is. Okay, it's such a perfect shade of green. You know, I think it's, agar ek cheez, you know, I always come to that you know, because I know that a lot of you have been here for a long time, and you know, we are what we are because of all of your love, you know, and you guys are absolutely amazing, the very best, I would say. And so many of you have been trying wearing our pieces for many years now, but kahin na kahin, for like, I know that when I go to the shows, there are so many of you who just come to meet us and visit us and, you know, everything. And you've been following our pages for years. But there's that hesitation, you know. How do I switch online? I'm somebody who's really used to touching my stuff and buying, okay? And I get that. But you have to believe me when I say that we've been doing this for a while. And, you know, we've been doing, of course, the lives for a while. We've been doing all of that customer service for a while, and we really are good at it. So try one piece, and really, if you're in a mood, try a 2.5 meter, though ideally a same on same is the best one. But I would say start anywhere, start small, start big, it's up to you. But cross that bridge, you will see what's there at the end of it, and I promise it's something very exciting. Okay, from that I'm going to go to our very best, and we have the entire palette of it finally ready for you to show. I really do want that when I'm showing you these beautiful pieces, I have all the palettes so that you can get your choice, especially for premium pieces like this one. Coming up is our Ek Tara suit. There you go. This is, you know, I launched one single piece some time back, and this is what I'm showing you. This is our Ek Tara silk suit, Sona Rupa Meenakari, and the most gorgeous colors that you're going to be seeing. Ek Tara is something really special, you know. I mean, look at that beautiful piece right here. It's absolutely amazing, the range of colors, the softness of the fabric, how this silk makes you feel. It's all something really special. And basically all season, when you really do want to look for a Katan silk suit, but you want it to be anything but a regular one, this is your pick. You know, grandness in every weave and every thread that you see. It's absolutely a marvel. Okay, no more, ask us more. You know, for even for the pictures, there are lots of things that we've tried in this suit for the first time, and I'm so happy on how it's turned out. Now the next color, it's a classic color. It's the most beautiful. Of course, the bottom is also woven with it. This is a suit set, and this is a very quick glimpse. I'm sure you will want to know a little more about these pieces, or usi ke liye you should of course come on WhatsApp and ask us. There you go. I have 4, not 1, but I have 4 colors to be showcasing to you. Ek Tara silk is absolutely unique, danedar, very soft. It's got that look and it's got that grandness without getting overwhelmed. And what a beautiful color. Oh my god, look at that. It's amazing, you know. And seriously, for these grays, I have spent so much time trying to crack the correct grays, you know. When we make colors, when we create colors, especially with the dyers, you know, it's some colors are particularly difficult, you know, not having been made by hand, because remember that all of these colors are actually made by hand, you know, so the composition has to be right every single time. So when you see a handcrafted piece at Neev, there's so many things which are marvelous about it, but essentially the story behind it or how it's been created to perfection each time, I think that's more than any other piece. Now look at that. That's a beautiful one. Oh my god, like, I mean, where would I not wear this? I would be wearing to that formal, that beautiful, any event where you want to kind of stand out, wear this, I tell you. The final color in it is this one. I'm also going to be showing you, okay, very quickly, but I think we have so much requests for the checks that I want to show you what are the colors that we have available in checks. We are almost sold out. I'll tell you what we are almost sold out on: checks, okay, check linen, that's what I'm saying. And the other thing that we are almost sold out, and I think we're all actually sold out, is on linen meenakari. You know, both these all gone. But what we have is what I'm going to be showing you, especially, I mean, now look at that. That's the most wonderful pink, and it could be very, very close to the rose that I'm wearing, but it's just amazing. Yes, hope you will appreciate the beautiful colors in it. Hope you like it. This one is our brand new signature new launch, and yes, we are coinciding it with a very important event today for Neve, to which I will come at the very end. Okay, so coming back to what's there in checks, in linen, in this karwa, and that's what I'm going to be showing you. Look at that. I'm very close so that the colors are very visible to you. This is what I have, and what I'm showing you is all that I have. This very lovely cotton linen fabric, and of course only some of you have gotten to try it because it is very limited, but it's something really special when you're looking for your combination of it being formal and you want to stand out again. I mean, yeah, I think I've used that word like maybe 20 times today, but I mean, that's the emotion that when you wear these, you will feel the difference, and you will, okay? So I'm not going to say that word again, but I want to say that this is a great workwear, formal meetings, and something that's a little, it's because it's checks, one assumes that it's very casual, but we've kind of broken down all of that because we've added these lovely karwa bootas with it. You could go same on same, you could wear it without dupatta, or you could be wearing it with a nice linen dupatta. Okay, can I get the white linen dupatta on that note? This one, here it is, yeah. Okay, on that note, I'm going to show you again yet another one new launch for you, and you did see a glimpse of it in the, I think the under 30, under 40 wala box mein, it was there, but there you go. What is this that you're seeing? This is our linen dupatta, and it is, I mean, I didn't have the time, otherwise I would have actually dyed it in this color because I think it's going to look super pretty, but I didn't really get around, I mean, the time with it because it just arrived and we just wanted to show you. It's the most incredible Neve Boota dupatta in linen. Look at how gorgeous it is with the zari, with the motifs and the softness, and it's super, super classy. Now you can see that. Here it is. I think it's absolutely amazing. Enjoy wearing it in white with our linens. Of course, the linen than that you see will have a different zari because they've been made at different times, different looms, different ways, okay? Of course, agar linen ka complete same suit chahiye, we have just shown you a really nice complete look. So that's there, that's one option. But when you're looking just for a nice dupatta, which you really can, ab ye jo linen dupatta hai, iska jo texture hai, aap katan mein pehne, chinya mein pehne, cotton chanderi mein pehne, premium cotton mein pehne, or satin mein pehne, is going to look amazing. That's how we have made it composite. It's beautiful with the zari, okay? And I think it's, to me, I would do that. I would buy it in white, wear it once or twice in white, send it back to Neve, and then get it dyed in another color. Because yes, when you get these beautiful pieces from us, that's possible. You can wear it in white at some later day. You can send it to us, and of course, courier will be on your, but otherwise there's no extra dyeing. So, you can just get it done from us. And it's amazing, isn't it? So this is your Karwa Neve Boota linen dupatta launching for the very first time. Now, what I do have is also so many things coming out today, right? Okay, for a reason. I mean, of course, it's the last live of the week, so yes, we gotta leave you with some stunning pieces. Now look at that. What do you see? This is our premium cotton with meenakari, 2 colors with zari all in it. Super soft, super nice. And I know that many of you have the whites. We made a lot of that white, okay? Many of you have those whites, and jinhone bhi pehna hai, they've been waiting for the colors to come. We have just done a blue, I think thoda hair blue. There's a blue and there's this green. Now, whether you're going to be wearing this again with the Chanderi 5800 dupatta, you could also go for this. It's going to look really pretty, and yeah, it's really nice, okay? Another dupatta. Okay, before that I get into that another dupatta, I want to just clear what I had. I had this actually to show you that it will look amazing with this one. These are the last 3 colors that we have in linen. The one that I wore a few days ago, which is the green and the blue, is in making. It's on pre-order, but that's the only color which we are making again. Okay, now why I've kept this is because I also want to show you our very pretty, okay, oh, look at that. isn't that perfection at every level. This is pure cotton satin border. You've got a Sona Rupa, you've got Karwa, you've got everything, and of course it's in this gorgeous color. So you can now again, so if you have seen our linen thans, the one with gold and silver zari, I think we have got them both. I think it would look perfect with that in white. Two different fabrics, but we are able to create that look for you, and I think it would be amazing to be able to wear that particular than with it. If I had it, I would have shown you, but just come to us, just check if you have any, but I don't think it's here. Okay, and now I will also show you once again this two combination, because I do think that it does look very pretty. Okay, so that green and pink is looking really, really pretty. There you go. These dupattas just for you very quickly, pure cotton and wonderful. Oh, that's a sea green. And you know, when you add satin to a dupatta like this, you could really be wearing it on again any fabric. हाँ, कई बार मैं आपको खुद बोलूँगी, you know, and my team, they are really good at it as well, is that you know, some combinations we say are not really, like number one, I would never say a katan with a munga, like a katan dupatta with a munga silk suit. Okay, that's a no. Okay, for a very specific reason, because बहुत अलग textures हैं, nothing will stand out, neither the munga, neither the katan silk dupatta. But you tell me, this you want to wear with satin, this you want to wear with chanderi, this you want to wear with even linen, it's going to look amazing. Okay, and the very last, I have two pinks, so I'm going to just show that to you. This is a different kind of a pink, both really pretty. Take your pick, that the one that you like most, and it's amazing. And from that, we're going to go into something absolutely stunning, and it's going to be our katan silk suits. You've seen the pastels, you've seen the gold, the pink in the Ektara suits, and of course the other two colors. Now we're going to go and create a statement with one black katan silk suit, because you cannot have a wardrobe complete. Oh my god, look at that. You know, you see how beautiful it is, right? It is actually a little more beautiful than that on what's visible on the screen. I mean, you know, I mean, that's always the best thing I get to hear. I mean, that's what makes my, you know, day, is when you say that, you know, it looked very beautiful. I ordered it, and actually, it's actually a little more beautiful, you know. Nothing does justice to your pieces. But that's the beauty, you know, you seeing it here, getting it anywhere in the world. That's the whole point of it. Now, look at that. This one statement black suit that has to be in every wardrobe. Look at that. It's just got everything, the bottom, the kurta, the dupatta, it's got it all. Okay, from that, we're just now really shifting to great pieces, which are just, you know, like really nice all in all. No particular theme now on this one. Like, this one is one off. And the reason we are showing this to you, because yes, I mean, you could say we did a rosé, but of course the rosé with plain satin and the grand dupatta that you saw comes at a price point. Now, if you want to create a nice pastel look, probably a little lesser, look at that Georgette kurta. This is a, you know, chinia buta fabric for bottom, or you could say I want a nice dressy, flary, sharara even maybe, a bottom and a nice plain kurta. And with that, what I'm going to do is bring you a dupatta, and a dupatta which is amazing, which is karwa, which is full length, a little less width, so that it's really easy, which is dyeable. And look at this wonderful combination. Do it in blue, do it in pink, do it in yellow. You can do all of that, of course, but wear it as a three-piece set. It's absolutely amazing. And yes, I do want to show this to you, because I do think it's going to be a great dupatta to be wearing with this color satin. Satin, what colors can be done? All colors. You know, it's a white fabric that we dye, so we can do any color. This is rosé, this is our signature pink. I've also worn an emerald green in this. They all look absolutely amazing. Look at that. This is also, so in case where you're going for dupatta, which is, you know, like the one that I started with, that's of course a heavier one. If you're looking for a similar look in a lesser budget, then this is a great one. Okay, so then you can do this as well. And okay, from there we've been getting so much love for the black suit that we wore, which is pure cotton with meenakari. And yes, our look is a signature black in a cotton, and it's formal and it's nice and it's truly wonderful. But I do have two new colors popping out, and look, oh my god, isn't that just beautiful? Just the right pink. It's not too loud, it's not too bright, it's just perfect. This 32,800, and along with it the second new color that we have in it. What am I doing? I'm giving you options. You've been thinking about which color to do, whether it's the checks, whether it's the cotton dupatta, whether it's this suit. I'm giving you everything that we have so that you can really take your pick. Oh my god, that's the green. Incredibly beautiful. Now this one is light, bright, just the right amount of brightness. You would wear it. So to me, if you ask me, both these colors are day colors. Okay, so you got to wear it in the day. This and that, two day color pieces for you. Black to all day hai iska. You have seen the black, the lavender, the green, so it's all there. And from there we're going to jump on to Rosanna. Rosanna is our dose of grandness, honestly, I mean, if you ask me. Okay, and these colors, I mean, like, look at that, look at the beautiful dupatta. Is just everything that you want for your outfits. Oh my god, isn't that amazing? Look at that touch of Meena, all made by hand. And this is my color one. I showed it to you earlier too, but I will tell you, I wanted to show you the two new colors that we have done. This is the first one, and it's just incredible. Okay, 3 meters, elaborate dupatta, it's got it all. But when I say elaborate, remember that hamare pieces, when you're wearing it, it's still the easiest to be wearing them. It's the easiest. And ta-da, this is a very nice color that we have. Sorry for the music, but yeah, we love it. I'm really pumped up to be doing this live for a very special reason. Okay, and yes, so the big news is, and I'm going to say that now, is that we are moving to a new studio. We are moving to a new space. This space that we have, this is our own studio. Yeah, I think we came in here a few years back, and it's been incredible. It's our way of saying thank you for all the love that you've done, for all amazing lives and the content that we've created from here. It's just been great, and of course we look forward to all that's next and ahead of us. But for today, we just want to kind of enjoy and savor this moment where we are doing our I think the final live from this space. Yeah. Okay, so there you go. This one is a beautiful one. There you go. I think it's absolutely incredible. The color, it's so fresh with that Meena, with that pink, and here you go. And it's just everything. So if you're looking for the colors, I mean, of course, I have worn the blush pink one, and we've done reds, we've done kesari, we've done white, we've done green. You just saw the beautiful purple, and this is our final, the peaches. As we say, our looms are getting shifted. The season is going to be shifting. This incredible collection, yes, it's a very limited one, which is what we're going to change. Are they all season? Absolutely. Are you going to be needing these beautiful handcrafted cotton suits in just the next months? Yes, you will, because something like that is to be worn and enjoyed every time. Is that the last piece? Yes, and it is the end. We are going to be ending it with this grand, beautiful dupatta that some of you may have seen. And the reason I picked this one out to close was, of course, it's a culmination of everything. Outstanding craft and beauty and things like a red dupatta, which is an absolute essential. And also because red works really well with rosé, and when you're looking for that wedding perfect look, but you want it to be something different, then this one. Yes, satin can also be created in lehengas, in more flary outfits, and it's always amazing. Look at that, it's got everything right here for you in this dupatta. Thank you so much, and it's been such a pleasure to be doing this. I just said that we're going to be moving, which means, yes, there's no live, but we've left you with some incredible pieces today. So this is your cue to go and get it. We'll be back soon again. Big thanks to everything that happens around us, and I'm really grateful, and especially for you too. So see you soon, and bye-bye.